Hello guys, this is beautiful from Poland. What's your name, ma'am?
Evelina,
Evelina, very beautiful. You're single?
good ping pong player.
This number one.
No, this is
Champion
number
before.
one. This number one from girls.
Okay, take care. God bless. Bye bye. Okay guys, yun from Poland. Naglaro kami ng ping pong guys, yung kuya. At saka exercise dito sa barko para mawala ang init, para mawala yung pagod. Kailangan mayroon tayo exercise or sports para mag-maintain yung medical fit work. Kailangan fit work palagi kapag may medical ka guys. At saka nag-elevator kami dito guys. At saka matutulog kasi ngayon 1 o'clock in the morning dito sa Norway guys. Ito yung project namin ngayon dito guys. Mabuhay and God bless us and more power. This is Dixie Freeman Blood. Mabuhay! Bye-bye! Ito pala ang kabina namin guys. Nandito ako ngayon sa 3rd floor. Hanggang 7th floor yung ano namin guys. Yung barko. Ito yung painting sa Netherlands. Yan guys. At sa ibang bansa naman ito guys sa Singapore. At ito yung kabina namin guys. At papasok na ako ngayon para matutulog o pahinga. At ito naman ito guys from Netherlands. Yung painting guys. Okay guys, papasok na ako sa aking room. Ayun. At pakita ko sa inyo guys yung robot na gumagana ngayon dito sa barko, nagmonitor. Ito yung barko namin. Ito yung robot, ilalim ng dagat. Kasi nilinisan yung ilalim ng dagat guys. Hanggang dito muna guys. Ayun kuya, kapuso, kapamilya. DJ Freeman Vlog. God bless you and more power. Bye bye. See you in my next video.